Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but it isn't visible, we can install it, we don't see it. We must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we tap on our photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental control. As you can see, now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now let's enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it by tap on page 16, confirm by got it, and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.